Hello everyone. So this video is regarding IPO investment strategy where we will be discussing about upcoming IPOs, how you can invest in IPO, what are the benefits of applying for IPO and how you can maximize your return by investing in IPO. So let's start. So first of all, we will be covering some of the upcoming IPOs. So these are the 4 IPOs which are available right now. These are the 4 companies for which listing is available right now. So starting with Inox Green, this is for its open date is 11 November 15 till 15 November. So this is the last date. Currently Archean Chemical and 5 Star, these both are available. These both have started. So in case of Inox Green, we can discuss dates are from 11 November to 15 November. Lot size is 230. Issue price is 61 to 65. This is the price band. And issue size is 740 crores. And the GMP, which is very important, that is a grey market premium, that is rupees 6. Okay, on the issue price of 65. So there we can see like in market currently 10% return is available. Okay, and in case of 5 Star, 8 rupees we are getting on the issue price of 474, and in case of Archean Chemical, 60 rupees we are getting on the issue price of 407. Okay, so we can see that in case of Archean Chemical there is more than 10% return expected. So we can select the IPO on the basis of GMP. Again, in case of Kaynes Technology, there is no GMP, but that doesn't give us a proper view whether we should apply in the IPO or not. We should consider other factor also that we will be discussing in another slide. So how you should select IPO? GMP we have already discussed. You should look into promoter's background, whether they have been associated with any prior issue prior to this one. So that you have to look into. Then the sector in which this company belongs, which is coming with the IPO. So if the sector is very lucrative, there is high chances that IPO will generate good returns. Next, you can look into utilization of funds. So you can check how the company is going to utilize a fund which it is raising through IPO. Okay, in case of Inox Green, they are raising 740 crores. So how they are going to use this fund, whether to repay their loans or whether to invest their project, that you have to check. Then probable reason for going public, why they are coming up with the IPO, why they are not continuing with their current capital structure. Next is go through the projected figures. So you have to analyze 5 years past data and take decision regarding the valuation of the company. The valuations are good and the pricing is also going along with the valuation, then you should invest in that IPO. Next is we will be discussing how we should apply in IPO. So you have to create your UPI ID. We will be helping you in doing that, and or you can register in your net banking also for ASBA. Next, you have to open Demat account. We are there for that. So by using 3 of your documents, like you have to share the photos of PAN card, Aadhaar card, bank check for your account number, bank account number, and the details like email ID, phone number, and your account will be open in 15 minutes. Next, you have to apply for the IPO. So we will be also applying on your behalf, and you have to accept the mandate. Okay, so they are simple. That is a very simple process. You just have to create your UPI ID if you don't have any, and we have a proper video for that. And then we will be applying through your Demat account. That is a one-time process for opening the Demat account and for creating UPI ID. And then every time whenever IPO comes up, we will contact you and you can easily apply for it as per your requirement and accept mandate. So these are the past performance of the IPO. So you can see I have taken last 6 IPOs and their performance I have listed over here, which are listed right now. So Traxn Technologies has given a return of 17%. Electronic Smart 43%. Currently it is over 84 rupees. So the return is high if we consider the current period. Harsha Engineers have given the return of 47%. Tamil Nadu has listed on a flat note. So it has given a return of 0.02% minus negative return of 0.02%. Dream Folks and Simras SGS Technology both have given a return of around 42%. So we can see on next, most of the companies have delivered a return of 40%. So these are the important points which you have to consider for applying in IPO. Maximum investment around 15,000 per lot. Okay, sorry, minimum investment around 15,000 per lot. So for one lot, you need to have 15,000 in your bank account. So that is the amount which will get blocked for 10 days. So you have to apply in retail quota to increase your probability of getting the IPO. So in retail quota there is a reservation of 35%, and for being in retail quota maximum you can apply is for 2 lakh. Okay, so and there is a gap between open date and listing date of around 10 days. In 10 days you are able to generate return of like 20 to 30% I have given here, considering the loss making IPOs, but generally you get 40% around return in 10 days. So what are the issues involved in IPO? Because till now whatever we have discussed all are very positive factors. So now we will discuss about the problems or the issue. So first of all, there is a failure, like you don't get that allotment where the valuation is good, where you know the IPO is going to perform very well. So it is very difficult to get the allotment. Next is selection of IPO. You face difficulty in selecting which IPO will be good for you and which won't be good. Next is tracking of IPO. Even if you want to select the IPO, but you don't know how to apply, or you are not able to apply for the IPO because there are like you are using multiple demat accounts and all that. So that creates a problem for you to manage everything. So it is difficult to track the IPOs also, like because it is open for only 2 to 3 days. So generally it creates problem in tracking. Next is difficulty faced in applying through multiple demat account, because you need to have multiple demat account. So you face difficulty in tracking all the demat accounts and then applying through all the demat account. Next is the strategy which we were telling you from the beginning. This has been explained over here, so please try to understand in a very proper manner. First of all, what you have to do, as you are managing the finance of your house, you have to open demat account of all your family members by using our free demat account in 15 minutes service. Okay, so you will get your demat account in a very simple process. Okay, it will hardly take 15 minutes. With the basic documentation you can get your demat account. So please open demat account of all your family members. Next, you have to create UPI ID. So we have video also, and in case you already have UPI ID or you are using mobile banking, then we will help you to find out your UPI ID and you can send us your UPI ID. So every time whenever IPO comes, we will apply in all the accounts in retail category, where maximum is 13 lot and minimum is 1 lot. So depending on your funds, like how much fund you want to invest, we will apply in different IPOs. Okay, under retail category in your multiple family accounts. Then you just have to accept mandate in all the account. So for mandate also we have a simpler process I will tell. So by applying through multiple accounts, your chances of getting allotment increases. Okay, so if you have like for example 10 lakh and you want to apply in an IPO and you are expecting a return of around 40%. So what you can do, instead of applying from your account only, you can create your family accounts demat account. So you can put 2 lakh in each of these accounts and then you can apply from each of the accounts. So then your chances of getting allotment increases. So this is how you can like try to generate maximum return from the IPO. So this is a strategy which we were discussing about. And lastly, we want to explain you that money just get blocked, so no money is transferred. Either you will get the shares or you will get your money back. So money stays in your bank account. It doesn't get transferred anywhere. So it just get blocked, and then after allotment, if you don't get the allotment, then it gets unblocked, right? And we advise you to use the same mobile number, so it helps us in accepting the mandate in a fast and clean process, fast and quick manner. So thank you. If you are not able to understand any of the discussed point over here, so you can contact us. So this is our contact number 7044004294, and our address is also given over here. We are the authorized partner of Motilal Oswal. So for any query related to Motilal Oswal or stock market, or if you want to understand any point or whatever has been discussed in this video, or anything related to stock market, you can contact us and we will be there to guide you and help you. So thank you.